Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 21st of December, 2023. Despite opening lower, the benchmark indices gradually recouped losses and closed with gains on December 21st amid mixed global cues. Broader market indices, which saw sharp selling in the previous session, were in the limelight today. The Sensex closed the day up 358.79 points, or 0.51%, at 70,865.10, while the Nifty gained 104.90 points, or 0.5%, to close at 21,255.05. Biggest gainers on the Nifty were BPCL, Power Grid Corp, Britannia Industries, while losers were Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Finance and Axis Bank. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of IRCTC soared around 6% on December 21st on high volumes. Around 2 crore shares changed hands on BSE and National Stock Exchange combined, compared to a 1-month average of 80 lakh. The stock has seen a good rally since the company last week announced its plans for major expansion in the non-railway catering business across the country. Shares of TARSONS Products Limited surged over 13% on December 21st after the company announced that its subsidiary entered into a share purchase agreement to acquire NERB R&D GmbH and NERB Plus. TARSONS Products Limited and TARSONS Life Science Pte., a wholly owned subsidiary of the company, has agreed, TARSONS said in an exchange filing on December 20th. It further added that 10 to 15 million euros shall be the cost of acquisition, subject to closing adjustments. Shares of SHIPYARDS Pistons and Rings hit its upper circuit in early trade on December 21st, after ace investor Sunil Singhania-backed backers picked up a stake of 326.01 rupees crore in the company. A series of backers funds purchased 29.54 lakh equity shares, or around 6.7% stake in the company at a price of 1,103.6 rupees per share on December 20th. AL Mewar Commercial Investments bought for 0.36 lakh shares at the same price, but K.S. Kolbenschmidt GmbH sold 39 lakh equity shares or 8.9% stake in the company at the same price, amounting to 430.4 rupees crore. COCHIN shipyard share price rose 5% in the early trade on December 21st, after the company signed a contract with the Ministry of Defence. COCHIN Shipyard has signed a contract with MOD on December 19, 2023 for a value of 488.25 rupees crores. The work package includes repair and maintenance of the equipment and systems on board the naval vessel, the company said in its release. The work on the same has already been commenced during Q2 of financial year 2024 based on the approval of necessity from MOD, and is expected to be completed by Q1 of financial year 2025, it added. Shares of DELHIVERY surged over 6% on December 21st, a day after the New Age logistics services provider operationalized its largest gateway in Bhiwandi, Maharashtra. Built over 1,200,000 square feet of land area, the Bhiwandi trucking terminal is one of India's largest logistics facilities. The terminal combines automated hub, sortation, returns, and freight operations with the capability to handle DELHIVERY's parcel and part truckload freight volume simultaneously, the company said in a statement. SICO Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 88.50 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 918.533 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 75.98, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.41. StarTech Finance Limited in daily time frame is trading around 286.35 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 39.396 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 254.02 N, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 70.21. Hindcon Chemicals Limited in daily time frame is trading around 58.15 points with a change of 18.55%, and is trading with a net volume of around 3.969 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 44.30, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 89.78. For the stock recommendation we have, Pricol Limited looks good and can be bought at 373 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 361 rupees and a target of 385 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.